It's a beautiful day to have some ice cream. Who wants some ice cream?
Ice cream.
Look at that. It's the ice cream truck. Hey, Alphabet A. Alphabet A is here to have some ice cream. Let's help him select his favorite ice cream. Choose your favorite flavor, Alphabet A. What flavor would you like to have?
I want the apple flavor with some sprinkles on top and an apple slice.
Alrighty, here's your apple ice cream with sprinkles and apple slices on top. There you go. $2. Alphabet A is super happy to have his apple ice cream. Oh look, it's the Alphabet B. Alphabet B wants some ice cream too. Come on, Alphabet B, let's get you some ice cream. Choose your flavor.
I want a blueberry ice cream with a blueberry on top.
Here you go. Blueberry ice cream with blueberry on top. B for blueberries. $2. Alphabet B is so happy to have the ice cream too.
Hey, what about me?
Oh, of course, Alphabet C. Choose your flavor.
I would like to have the cherry flavor with a cherry on top.
Here you go, Alphabet C. Cherry flavor ice cream with cherry on top. $2. Alphabet C got his ice cream too. Alphabet A, B, and C are enjoying the ice cream today. A got the apple flavor, B got the blueberry flavor, and C got the cherry flavor. That's so yummy.
A for apple ice cream. B is for blueberry ice cream. C is for cherry ice cream.
What flavor would you like to have? Uh-oh, it's time to go home. Let's come back tomorrow to get some more ice cream. Don't forget to subscribe in the meantime.